मानस की जात सब है एक है पहचान वो. Consider ye all human race as one. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My brothers and sisters, 320 years ago, in the foothills of Shivalik, on the holy land of Anandpur Sahib, the whole human history saw a new chapter. Guru Nanak Sahib, who was born in 1469, and the successive 9 Gurus worked to create an ideal human being for 230 years, from 1469 till 1699, when a perfect human being, the Khalsa, the sovereign, free, came into this world, and the basic values of Sikhism, which Guru Nanak Sahib preached 550 years ago. If we look at the Declaration of Independence of America of July 4th, 1776, before me, a lot has been said about that. But we should look that just 77 years before Declaration of Independence, Guru Gobind Singh Sahib, in the form of Order of the Khalsa Brotherhood, was giving that statement for the whole of the humankind. When we look at our old historical sources, they say very clear Punjabi words, Aj to tuhadi kul naas, karm naas, kirt naas, varan naas, param naas, tusi khalsao. From now onwards, no discrimination based on the caste, color, creed, gender. You are my Khalsa, the ideal human being. And the very task, when we look at the American Declaration of Independence, all men are created equal. Now this philosophy was given by Guru Nanak Sahib, the very sound which vibrated on the horizon of not only South Asia. Guru Nanak Sahib traveled all the way to Middle East and all the known world at that time, that Khalik Khalak, Khalak mein Khalik, Pur reho sab thain. The Creator dwells in His creation. The whole human race, human being, vegetation, environment, all this planet, galaxies, cosmos, they all are Gagan Maithal, Ravchand, Deepak Bane, Tarka Mandal, Janak Moti, which Tagore said, this is the anthem of the whole humankind. And today, while thousands of miles away from that land, we in this room are gathered with our revered, respected lawmakers, opinion makers, decision makers, will have to think of those martyrs of 3 centuries who gave their blood, who fought against the tyranny of the existing empires then and fighting even now to create a society so that that very insignia, which is part of our daily prayer, Nanak, Naam, Chaddi Kala, Tere Pane, Sarbat da Pala, good of all. And when we look at the timeline, 1776 is the year when the Sikhs in Punjab had developed the institution of Sarbat Khalsa. And those 12 confederacies, and always remember, there were representatives of 13 colonies only who declared their freedom at Philadelphia. That Liberty Bell reminds us what it was, and that was the time Sikhs had developed such a system where the decisions were not taken by majority or minority. Sarbat Khalsa at Akal Takht used to decide on issues with consensus, deliberations, talks, negotiations for whole days or weeks until unless they arrived at a conclusion. Such a fine institution. And today, with Guru's grace, 10th Guru Gobind Singh Sahib, who always is with us, when Guru said, Khalsa, meri jaan ki jaan, Khalsa mero pran ko pran, Khalsa mero main Khalse ka, Ot pot sagar bandero. Isn't it a miracle that in 3 centuries, the powerful empires in that part of the world tried to silence this voice of truth, justice, liberty, but Khalsa has flourished today all over the world. over 5 million Sikhs are in diaspora. And just a couple of days ago, when Jagmeet Singh, who is the now leader of the third major party in Canada, NDP, and has been elected as a member parliament from Burnaby, British Columbia, he took his oath in the House, and his first speech, in the first few words, he said, our hearts goes to those 50 Muslim brothers and sisters, those who were killed while praying in a New Zealand church. So this is the spirit. That is what it means to be a Sikh. Sikh don't stand for his or her own values, but for the values of humankind, for the values of justice, for the values of truth. And in today's society, still talk of discrimination on the basis of gender. Look at here. It's not that we are kings and courts, fearless like a lion or like princes, but our even first name don't discriminate. That is the value of when Guru Sahib said, these are my princesses, and is having a sword as well as 5 articles of faith. That meant that woman is no more a abla, which was a word given to women in that part of the world without power. And here the princesses of the Guru also enjoy the same freedoms. And today, while we are celebrating this day here, this is a proud moment for all of us. And thank you to the organizers and particularly the lawmakers of this great state, New Jersey, who last year passed this legislation and declared April 14th as the Sikh Day and this month as a Sikh Appreciation Day and Sikh Appreciation and Awareness Month. Thank you very much. May Guru's blessings be on all of us. May all humankind, over 7 billion people in this world, may learn to live in peace. Let we have those values of tolerance, love. There is no place for hatred in Sikhi or in any faith or in the very basic human values. Thank you very much. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji